I knew Yiddish. I don't think I could read the prayer book because that's what, but I didn't understand. I could read it because that's what I learned in Yankov, but I didn't understand what it says. And when I came to Israel, I found out certain words came back. Oh, Derech, oh, I said, this wasn't there. And so I realized that certain words that were in the prayer book, then they were daily expressions. But at that time, my mother said it's the holy language. Hebrew is the holy language. And she used to use some Hebrew expression, but they were so Yiddishized that I didn't know they were Hebrew.
Do you remember any?
Yeah. She used to say, Huchi Shili, Huchi Shiloch. When I came to Israel, I found out it meant Hatzi Shili, Hatzi Shilach, means half to me, half to you. But she said, Huchi Shili, Huchi Shilach. Or when we used to, in Russia, we used to have to travel, like to buy a bag of a pail of potatoes. Sometimes we have to go to villages, and we would come back, it would take like a day. She would say, oh, Zemeshon of a derech. So when I came to Israel, I found out the derech means the road. She meant we are good along the way. And there were other words that she used to say, which I can't think of now, but later when I came to Israel, I realized they were Hebrew words, but she Yiddishized them.